guys, welcome back to my vlog. तुम्ही कशी हाय? I don't know, it's been long. I vlog करू ना super busy, no time at all. आणि होली वीक जाऊन गेलो, so त्याला टाइम येऊना आता इष्ट जाऊन का नाही माझा टाइम येवला म्हाका. And right now I'm doing my bridal accessories. So here these are the things I'm doing right now. Also I will show you guys later what I've done, so stay up with it. I'm at Paula and Pulache, all the girls, and I'll show you the view. So this is the night view, guys. She cottage, okay. Change for Pavita, and then we can get in the room. And I'll show you the food that we got in some time. Oud, kalda. I'm gonna do chef in there. Hi, Chef Rosie and Chef Larissa.
Até mix que tu gotas aí. Spoon on.
Epe. Larissa is pouring in also. We have Chef Larissa
And we have broken the spoon.
And we have broken the spoon.
And darling, mix spoon. Rara and Goria.
For chips chaat, and this is what for me also. And this is what?
Corn beef bread.
Cheers. So we're with the party now. Yo.
Where you start a business, you create jobs, you pay salaries to your team members on time, but you end up doing the work that your team.
So फाल्यां जावन आसा 1st of May आणि आमचे कपलाचे फेस्ट एट होम माय हाऊस. आणि दिस इयर आमकां ह्या आमच्या कपेलाक 25 years भोगता. and it's a great honor to be a part of it. फाल्यां आमकां कयर आसा. So right now I'm doing my dress color and just doing some work. So once dress ready जावन तुमी फाल्यां पळयतली, so तुमकां मागीर मेळटा. ओके, बाय guys, all set. Sure. Hello guys, I'm LatEly shopping at Guys, I'm going to have the first try to buy some clothes for my friends, children. Evening was party hunting us, so what the hell? आमचे शॉपिंग झालेली आहे आता मध्ये घरात औषधी नाही हां
Case we require one more bottle. Then
okay. This wow. Guys, just collected the cake. Guys, so it's on the 8th of May and as every year I just LatEly for the Holy Cross in front of joint celebrations. So it happens to be Mama and Dada's anniversary. So start. I'll show you how the cross looks like. Simple decoration just bazaar. Yeah, cut. Cheers! Yay! Hi friends, this is Elzima Costa. ते आता सुटून येला. ही मुलीच खाएगा. लेडीज पोझिशन घेऊन राहिला सारखे. Take one more. King atau kalau
and celebrations. I want the world to know that I'm in love with you. Congratulations and jubilation. I want the world to know that I'm happy as can be. I want the world to know.
Hello guys, we are back to Wet and Wild for a night out with the cousins. Okay, so Rauta Dengami. See you later. Hello guys, so I'm in the pool and I think Rauta I'm at the Upa come to cousins there is my brother Francis and my dearest husband is floating there. Can you see that? Okay, so I'm at the Rauta Yuna Azun Eshul Elik and Alzima and Sylvia is coming. So once they come, I will shoot again. Bye. Oh,